Every single morning, Eric makes smoothies before we go to work. They're absolutely delicious. But if you want to make smoothies, if you want to get into cocktail making, if you want to make soup in a blender, you really need to invest in a high quality blender. These cheap little blenders from our little big box stores, they're okay, but if you want to really take your blending to another level, you really need to look at something a little bit better. So the nice people at Cosori sent me their Pro-Class Blender, and we're going to try this baby out. So join me as we unbox the Cosori Blender and take a look at it. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Cosori for sending me this blender. We have tried other Cosori products. I absolutely and completely love their pressure cooker. So I'm thinking their blender is going to be pretty cool too. So let's unbox this baby. So this is a Cosori Pro-Class Blender, and I think it's really neat because it looks kind of like another blender out there that's really expensive. This one is not as expensive as that one. So the Pro-Class Blender has 30,000 RPM motor, and that's pretty cool. It's got 6 stainless steel blades. It has a 27-ounce travel bottle to carry with you. You can create hot soups in it, and it is dishwasher safe. And it is 1,500 watts of power. So let's open it. Cool. So we have some operation information. We have a manual. Pretty cool. Read that later. We have a recipe book, which is really cool. It's got sauces, pesto sauces, homemade sriracha. I think we'll try that one out. Dressings, avocado salsa, enchilada sauce. Oh man, this is nice. Okay, I'm with that. Happy cooking from Cosori. You know, Cosori, they're really, really nice people. I really like them. You get a warranty. This is a bonus year if you register it. Really, really cool. In here, they have a little bottle brush. That's probably for cleaning. But this thing is dishwasher safe, so. Okay, let's see if we can get this out of here. A few things up here. It looks like this is our lid. Nice. It's got this rubber thing here. Cool. This is a tamper. We have a lid that goes with it. What else do we have here? Oh, this looks like the top to the little travel thing that they give you. Huh. Okay, so this must be the travel container. Nice. And here's the lid that goes on it. And it's got a little pop top here for you to drink. Yeah, right? Awesome. This would be really cool. Put your smoothies in here in the morning on the way to work. Awesome. And we have our, oh my gosh. This thing is pretty cool. Look at that. Look at the jar on that baby. Look at the base. Nice. Look at this. One thing I noticed, some blenders, the teeth in here are like plastic. These are metal. This whole base is metal. Sweet. Love it. This thing is huge. Could make a lot of fun stuff in there. And let's get our blender out. I can tell you from the weight, it's a pretty substantial blender. Nice. Oh man. Look at that baby. Woo-hoo. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. It is, and we have in here metal teeth. This is really nice. Let me get the cord out of here. And there's a little thing here. Whoop. So we're going to put our top on here. Sweet. And this thing goes on here. And this is a little tamper. Right? It makes that sound too. Put that there. We're going to put our blender here on the base. This is really nice. Really nice blender. And ooh, we can go, here's a soup setting. Pulse on. This bad boy ain't playing around.
All right, we got a little bit of soapy water in here, and I was playing with it to kind of figure out how it works. So we figured out how this soup thingy works. So let's kind of go over the operation a little bit. So first of all, since we're going to play with this variable speed thing, we got to have the soup guy in neutral. That means in the middle, right? Pulse is on the bottom, soup is on the top. Right now he's in a default position. We have this guy here on stop. We're going to flip him on. He's going to go beep. Now we can turn him on, and he'll go as loud as we want, right? And then you can turn it back. Now, let's do a safety precaution here, okay? This is what I kind of learned. Let's leave this guy in, I don't know, the high or at least anywhere off the stop. Turn this on, you get a beep, no action. So they don't want you turning this thing on and off with it anywhere other than stop. So turn it off. We'll go back to stop, turn them on, beep, now we can turn it back on, life's good. So that works pretty good like that. The soup position is kind of interesting here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn this thing on, beep, we're leaving this guy alone, and we're going to put this thing to soup. He's on a low, and he's going to be there for about 15 seconds, and then he's going to kick up the speed a bit. And there he goes. Yeehaw! We're gonna take off. And then of course, if I just turn it back to neutral, then that goes away. And then now the variable control takes over at this point. Okay, so the soup guy being in neutral helps you affect this guy, him being in soup, and this guy's gotta be on for all the stuff to work. And if you, for some reason, I don't know, say you, oops, I forgot. You cut him off, you mix a bunch of stuff, and you just flat out turn him off, and then you go to turn him back on, he ain't gonna work. So you gotta turn him all the way down. So hopefully all of that helps out. You got any questions, Boo?
Let's make something.
She wants some cocktails. It's drinky time at the zoo.
So we are gonna put this baby to the test. We're gonna make Eric a mudslide cocktail. He loves mudslides because he loves ice cream. And this one's got cream, it's got Bailey's, it got Kahlua, it's coffee flavored, and it's swirled with chocolate. So we are going to make one of those to put this baby to the test and see what it can do. So I just want to thank Cosori for sending me this blender and letting me try it out. We're going to have a lot of fun. Stay tuned. We got some cocktails coming up. We're going to have a good old time. Again, Cosori, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And looks like a really nice blender. If you like this video, please subscribe below, leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook at Amy Learns to Cook. Oh, I like it. It's got a handle right here. So I guess you go like this if you want soup, then it'll heat it. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Man, oh man, that is crazy.